All right. Green, wonderful performance from you today in the midfield. I know that's a regular performance, but what's your assessment of the game today? What do you think about the game?
Well, for the latter part of the game, it was a pretty even one, but you know, the Kingston College they fought today and showed hard work and determination, and I think that gave us the edge throughout the 90.
Fitness looks like it's on you guys' side. If you look at fit team, fight for the full 90, and the goal did came. Perseverance. What's that like for you guys in the team right now? Knowing that you guys are young, but still want to make an impact in this competition.
Well, as you mentioned, it's a very young team, so we have to work for each other. You know, we are brothers keepers, and throughout the 90, we showed that. And you know, we had a couple changes off the bench, really good shift they put in.
From the first game that you guys lost and compared to the game that you guys played today versus Hydel, start of the concern until today. Your improvement is concerned. What's your thought on the improvement of the team so far?
Well, as you've seen game by game, we've gotten better and better. We showed it today against a quality Hydel team, and I think we continue to work, looking good.
They seem to be getting better with each game. What's the cause of that from your perspective?
Training, hard working training. That's all.
The preparation coming into this season, how did you find it? Is that first one of the season?
My first? No, my third.
Alright, so how did you find the preparation coming into this season? Seems like a slow start from KC. What happened?
Well, I joined the team late, seeing that I transferred from Wilmers, came in, fought for my place, and it was a really good team from the start. Started off rocky against Hydel, but with training and hard work, we fought game by game, and we're here now.